Right now on Purposers, there are people who are earning who never thought of themselves as business owners. In this video, we're going to talk about how they did it and how you can too. I think some people hear the word business and immediately check themselves out. I'm not an entrepreneur. I don't want to start a company. I just want to make some extra money. Here's what I noticed. Most people earning on Purposers didn't wake up one day and decide to be founders. They just realized something simple. I already do something well. Maybe someone will pay for it. And that's it. It wasn't risky. It wasn't dramatic. It was just alignment. What's cool about this is that the skills people are using aren't necessarily flashy. They're just everyday skills. Organizing, helping people move, setting up tech, tutoring, cleaning, creative work, fixing things, deliveries. Regular people, real skills, real income. They got clear about what they're good at. Then they made it visible. And they aligned themselves with the people who actually need it. That's the formula. Let me make this personal for a second. Before people knew me for music, I had a corporate job, but I wasn't sitting around waiting for people to discover me. I focused on what I already knew well, writing, creating, and producing. And instead of trying to be everything for everyone, I aligned myself with people who valued what I brought to the table. I didn't quit my job. I didn't take some massive leap. I just built momentum around the things I knew how to do well. And over time, that focus led to me winning a Grammy and also building businesses that are now successful. Not because I chased everything, but because I leaned into what actually worked. And that same principle works here. You don't have to reinvent yourself and you don't have to become something new. You just have to identify what's already working in you. Here's what the people that are earning on Purposers are actually doing. First, they stop undervaluing their skills. Second, they create a clear profile around those skills. Third, they respond, communicate, and show up reliably. And that's it. No complicated funnels, no huge startup costs, and no dramatic life overhaul. Just skill, visibility, alignment, and income. And because it's built around what they're already good at, it feels sustainable. I think a lot of people are closer than they realize. And the gap isn't ability, it's belief. You might not see your skills as special because they're normal to you, but normal to you could be valuable to someone else. And that's what's happening on Purposers. Regular people deciding, I'm going to stop overlooking what I can already do. If you're curious about what that looks like for you, the next step is simple. Go look at the platform and create a profile. List what you're genuinely good at and see what opportunities are there. You don't have to commit to anything massive. Just start. That's how it started for me. And that's how it started for a lot of people. One aligned step at a time. Listen, you don't have to be a business owner or entrepreneur. You just need to be honest about what you're good at, because there are people out there that need exactly that. If that sounds like something you've been thinking about, Purposers is there when you're ready. We'll see you inside.